Hi, my name is Joanne, and this is the trifold that I created to represent the analyzed information for hospital readmissions. Introduction. The Hospital Readmissions Reduction Program, HRRP, is a Medicare program that reduces payments to hospitals with excess readmissions. The goal is to improve health care for Americans. The analyzed data is from the HRRP containing heart attack measures for heart failure, pneumonia, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, hip or knee replacement, and coronary artery bypass graft surgery for hospitals nationwide during the period of July 1st, 2011 to June 30th, 2014. The data will be analyzed using descriptive and inferential statistics to determine if the number of discharges and the number of readmissions is linked to the excess readmission ratio. The independent variables are the discharges and readmissions, and the dependent variable is the excess readmission ratio. Methods. The data from HRRP will be analyzed using the software SPSS with descriptive and inferential statistics. The statistics are to determine if the number of discharges and the number of readmissions are associated to excess readmission ratio. The alternate hypothesis is the number of discharges and the number of readmissions is linked with the excess readmission ratio. On the other hand, the null hypothesis is the number of discharges and the number of readmission are not associated with the excess readmission ratio. The data provided from HRRP contains information such as the state where the hospital is located, the name of the facility, measure name, number of discharges, readmissions, excess ratio, and the start and end of when the data was collected. Results. The descriptive frequency was generated for the average number of discharges, readmissions, and the excess readmission ratio. The statistics, see Table 1, included minimum, maximum, standard deviation, variance, range, skewness, and kurtosis. The K-test determines if two data sets are significantly different. The sig of 0.001 determines that the test is significant. See Table 2 for test of normality. According to the box plot, you can see in Figure 1, there are outliers above the upper quartile and below the lower quartile. The sig value of 0.00 for the variable is less than the alpha 0.05. The results P is less than 0.05. So the test is significant at the 0.05 level and provides enough evidence to reject the null hypothesis. Based on R, there is evidence of the strength of the correlation. The equation, you can see Table 3 for the coefficients, is as follows. Y equals negative 0.001 plus 0.006 plus 1.006 equals 1.011, which is Y. The sig value is less than the alpha, resulting in enough evidence to reject the null hypothesis. The regression equation resulted in strong evidence of the correlation. It indicates that the number of discharges and the number of readmissions are associated with the excess readmission ratio. Conclusion. The HRRP data was analyzed to determine if the number of discharges and readmissions are associated with the excess readmission ratio. According to the data, the test was significant to reject the null hypothesis. Also, the adjusted R-squared value showed a strong evidence of the relationship. Thank you for listening.